everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to operate Samsung TV with our remote control. Now let me show you example how can I put more volume on my TV. Do you see that? Do you see that? Or less volume, like this is an one app on my mobile, because not is a control, is a mobile. Okay, can you see that? It's a mobile with that app. I know that this is LG remote, but it's the same way if you have example Samsung or Hisense TV. Okay, doesn't matter because you can use different apps on your app store. Now you can find remote, universal remote control. Okay, universal remote control, or you can find one app specific for your TV. Like if you have Hisense, you can use remote for Hisense TV, or if you have LG, you can find LG remote control, or if you have Samsung, you can write in your search bar here Samsung Smart TV remote and find different options. It's so easy and really fast and cheaper because no need buy another universal control. This is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.